It's been a really long time since I've done a hairstyle video for this channel, so I thought I would show you how I got this easy, messy bun with some embellished hairpins. Today's video is sponsored by Luisa Jewelry, who has some really beautiful, sustainable pieces that I'm actually wearing today. I have these two necklaces on and this bracelet, and we'll get more into that in a minute. But for now, I want to let you know what you're going to need to get this hairstyle. You'll need a spray bottle with water or some leave-in conditioner, some elastics, a brush, some edge control, and some embellished hairpins. You can get these ones that have pearls at the end or whatever you like. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. So before we start this tutorial, I wanted to give you a little bit more information on Luisa Jewelry and why I chose the pieces that I did. Luisa Jewelry has tarnish-free, long-lasting pieces that start at just $39, so not only are the prices fair, but they do have styles for everybody. Another cool thing about this brand is that they have a goal to reach a net zero carbon footprint by the end of 2020. They start with recycled materials when possible, and they create their collections in small batches so they can help eliminate excess waste. So I decided I wanted to glow up for the remainder of the year, and I do feel like jewelry is the perfect accessory to help me feel a little bit more luxurious when I'm around the house. When I was choosing my pieces, I wanted something that I could wear every day and with pretty much anything. I feel like the first piece I was drawn to is also the most special. It's their mama necklace, and I just had to have it. It's 14 karat gold plated and a really good gift for your mom friends, Mother's Day, and the holidays. It's just a simple reminder to myself that everything I do is for my children, and when I look in the mirror, my reflection says back to me, "You got this, mama." Next is their Jusif necklace that was actually designed in collaboration with another YouTuber by the name of Jusif. It is a modern curb chain necklace that has the statement BU engraved on it. This is 14 karat gold plated, and it's also available in silver. I really love the look of layered necklaces, so I'll be wearing them together today, and they also have extenders on the back so you can adjust the length. The last piece is their Elena bracelet, a gold-plated chain bracelet that is perfect for stacking and really for any type of lifestyle. I've been really trying to build up my bracelet collection, so I'm happy to have this as my starter. And I figured since we are doing an updo today, we would show off the beautiful pieces. So let's get started into that hairstyle. So the first step here is to start on hair that hasn't been washed in a couple days. That's because, at least for me, having fine curly hair, if I were to just wash this and come out here, I'd have to wait for it to fully dry. I do want a little bit more volume, and usually the second and third day I get more. So I haven't washed my hair in about 3 days, so it's got some nice volume to it. I do suggest using something that is going to help refresh your curls. The one I used today was the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk Refreshing Curl Foam. So you want to add a couple dollops of that into your palms, rub it together, smooth it over all the frizzy areas, and just do a little bit of scrunching. And because my hair is completely dry, we can actually start the style. So basically we are going to be gathering all of our hair and bringing it up into a high ponytail. You can smooth it down, or you can kind of just leave it loose if that's your style. I think I will be spraying around the perimeter here just to kind of smooth it down. And you can use a water bottle, or you can use a leave-in conditioner, whatever you like. I do want to leave out these little tendrils here. Then you want to take a brush to smooth out the surface. I like my wet brush, kind of combs through any tangles. And then just use an elastic to hold it. All right, so I got a nice little pineapple going here. If your hair doesn't have a lot of density, you can consider using some tracks. These have like a similar curl pattern to me, so I'm just going to wrap it around the ponytail and then create my bun with it. And the reason why is because I have these bobby pins that have pearls on them, and I'm going to be putting them into my hair. But because these pins are really big, I want to make sure that it's going to fit into my bun. So I'm going to add just a little bit more hair just to make it a little bit fuller. I'm going to take one track and start from the back, and I'm going to put it near the base and start pinning with my bobby pins. And once you get one in, you can start wrapping it around the entire ponytail. And then you can add another one once you get to the end of the track. And then you just keep adding tracks until you reach the density you want. Ooh, girl. All right, so now we can create this bun. You can just start loosely twisting it and wrapping it around the ponytail. Okay, now that I have my bun where I want it, I am going to smooth my hairline with my edge control and my edge control brush. I've been using the Mael Rosemary Mint Strengthening Edge Gel. This has been really good. I don't use a lot of edge control, but when I do, I want it to have some sort of benefit. And this is really good for hair growth purposes because it does contain some biotin and of course rosemary and mint. I do have some problem areas here, so we're going to do some magic to make them look full. And I'm just going to take some more of this edge gel and twist these around, these little tendrils here. Okay, looking really nice. Now for the fun part, we're going to add these hairpins that have the pearls attached to the ends. They're in different assorted sizes, so I'm just going to place them strategically throughout the bun. And this is what I was talking about. The hairpin itself is pretty long, and I thought if I put it through my bun with my natural hair that it was going to poke through. This is so easy and so fun, and I'm sure you could do this with different types of pins. It just adds a little something to your bun. Perfect for weddings, events. And I do love that they have gold on it, so it kind of ties in with the gold jewelry. Okay, all of the pins are in. I'm really loving this. I think it's really elegant and fun and different. I've seen a lot of celebrities wear this, and I just wanted to try something different, something to upgrade just the day-to-day messy bun. And that's about it for this video. I want to thank Ana Luisa Jewelry again for sponsoring this video and sending me these beautiful pieces. If you'd like to get 10% off your purchase, please check down below in the description box for a special code and a link straight to their website. If you are feeling this hairstyle, please let me know down below in the description box. I'd love to hear your feedback on this. If there are any other hairstyles you want to see from me, be sure to let me know also down below in the comments. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.